I'm still your little girl. Just a change in...
Amaka, what is going on with you?
I'm pregnant. I wanted to tell you sooner.
But your son, no be fight, no be fight, no be fight, no be fight. So in whatever you do, just do the best that you can. Leave the rest, you'll be fine. In the end, you'll be fine. Me, everything you love.
48 laws of power. Hey, I've heard so much about this book. I really want to read it. Amaka, what are you doing? You're just a maid, you're not here to read books.
Do you like to read?
Sir?
You haven't answered my question. I asked, do you like to read? Why are you scared? I'm not scolding you.
Yes. Small books. Whenever I'm free.
What about this one? Have you read it before?
No, sir.
I read this when I was in Form 4 and again in uni. Would you like to go back to school, Amaka?
Sir?
Never mind. Finish up and serve me proper breakfast.
Okay, sir.
Okay. How long has Amaka been with us for?
This December will make it 3 years. Why do you ask, sir?
She's intelligent.
And very smart too. She picks things up very quickly. And she even reads when she thinks nobody's watching.
Oh. You have noticed that too, huh?
Yes, boss.
She's very ambitious.
You know, I once told her that she should try to build herself in ways that seems most impossible.
That's very good. I want her back in school.
School?
I want her to finish university. And she should be introduced as my niece. No press, no social media.
Alright, boss.
Good. Go through this and get back to me, alright?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were back.
Sit. How far did you go in school?
After my WAEC and JAMB, unfortunately, my mother died, so I couldn't further.
Did you want to finish?
Yes, I truly want to finish. I really want to go above secondary, even if it's to get a certificate or diploma.
No. You'll go higher than that. You will finish university. I want you to acquire a degree in any field of your choice.
Why me, sir?
Because you're smart. I see great but hidden potentials that I want to bring out. Do you accept?
Yes.
I want you to return here on holidays. To the public, you're my niece. Do you understand?
Thank you so much, sir.
Don't thank me yet. Become someone worthy of it. You can go.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Amaka, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oga is not around though. He has already gone to work.
I know. He actually sent me to you.
Okay, he forgot something?
No. He asked me to come take you shopping. Then from there we'll go to spa and salon.
Only me?
Yes.
Shopping, spa, salon. Okay.
Yes. So go get ready.
I'll go and get ready. I'm sorry, come inside now. Let me...
No, don't worry. I'll wait for you here.
Okay.
Be fast.
Uncle, how do I look?
Wow, this is really nice.
Thank you.
Naya,
Sir.
well done. This is good.
Naya did a good job. You know, she was just giving out instructions that they should do this, do that, and they did as she said.
I can see you really enjoyed yourself.
I did. Really did enjoy myself.
That's good.
Thank you.
Sir, I have to take my leave now.
Okay, that's fine. You know what? I will send you something for your troubles, okay?
No problem. I'm okay, sir. There won't be need for that.
Thank you, Naya.
All right.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you
Amaka.
so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye, sir.
All right. Be safe.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
No, it's okay.
Thank you. Do you want to take a look?
No, I trust Naya.
Okay. So let me go make something for you to eat.
Jeremy, check your email.
The moment she call, at the moment she go, I'm moving on. Anybody else that up? Anybody else got it? Anybody else got it? Oh, ain't no condition. Auntie Amaka the Amaka sen. One you mama katamakasia. Hi, you don't come out again with this book. Don't go read, make your head no bust. Oh.
At this point, I need to refresh my memory. You know, it's been long I left school now. So I need to read all the books I can, you know. I need to catch up with a lot of things.
That's good though. But don't be say if you don't go read this book now, can't catch up everything where you won't catch up. You go come forget me.
Forget you? How? And what makes you think I'll forget you? You that knew me when I was sweeping, cleaning, doing all... don't talk like that again. Eh? I can never forget you now. It's an error.
No wala. You just make me shy now, this way you talk. No wala. No problem now.
See, if my uncle comes back, tell him I've gone for lessons.
No problem, no wala. Auntie Amaka, I beg no verse. That soup you give me yesterday still remain. I beg if you help me buy apple if you come back, might just take and arrange and small and I too like her.
You know you eat a lot, but I don't see it in your body. You don't add weight, nothing.
You don't see it though. Is it that one?
Fine, I'll buy. I also buy you corn, yeah?
No,
Take care of the house.
Thank you. You didn't name him. God, thank you so much. Oh. China deny amo. But family connection. Family connection. No, China deny amo. I don't understand waiting. I don't finish me.
Something happened to my lights?
Surprise! Happy birthday, sir. Oh, sorry, Uncle Sagi.
How did you know today's my birthday?
What else would I be doing in your house if not knowing something as casual as your birthday?
You know, the puzzle here is the fact that you remembered and did all this.
Oh, well, you remembered me when no one else did. Taught me how to be thoughtful too. So let's say I'm giving back what you planted in me.
You didn't have to.
Well, I wanted to, and I'm happy I did.
Thank you. Amaka, this means a lot to me.
I'm happy you like it. And you're about to have the best dinner ever. Yes. So...
I want you to sit with me.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Let me help you.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy yourselves.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
You never disappoint.
I know. Thank you.
Shirley, I want you to represent the company at the conference in Dubai. It's in 2 days. Yes, I asked Jeff to book your tickets. Yeah. Just forward everything to me, okay?
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, there's something I want to discuss with you, if it's okay.
Shirley, I'll call you back. Yeah, go ahead.
So there's this program for young women for 2 weeks in town. Empowerment and entrepreneurship. They teach small business skills, public speaking and mentorship. I got the flyer at the church.
And you want to attend?
Yeah, I think it will help me, stand my ground and not rely on you for everything forever.
I see. Is it safe? Supervised?
It is organized by the ministry and supported by the state. They even have a grant for best ideas at the end.
I see someone has done her research. So tell me, what do you tend to gain from this?
To improve a lot in myself and the notion about womanhood in the society.
Okay. You can go. But if you're going after empowerment, make sure you finish what you start.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm here.
Uncle, good evening.
Hi.
Guess what?
What?
Today was so amazing. They taught us how to pitch business ideas, and mine was picked for mentorship next week.
What?
Yes. And you know the most interesting part? A woman from the bank said I spoke confidently. Me!
Oh my God! Wow, that is wonderful.
See, if I move on like this, I'm going to become something.
You are something already.
Uncle, if not for you, I wouldn't have known I could dream big.
Speaking of dreams,
Faculty of Art and Social Sciences.
yes.
Admission. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So you'll be studying business management. I processed it quietly just in case. But right now, I think you're ready.
You meant it. You really wanted me to go to the university.
I want you to fly, Amaka. The world is waiting for you. And I don't want money to be the reason for you to be small.
I don't know how to thank you. You believed in me even when I didn't believe in myself.
I want you to promise me one thing.
Anything.
Do not lose your heart. That is your real power.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Get up, stand. Stand up. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Have you had something to eat?
No, I'm fine. Just get me a glass of juice.
I will. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy your meal.
Sure. Amaka, please, sit down. Just sit down.
Okay.
You have been part of this household for years. Tomorrow will feel very empty.
You'll be fine. You like quiet anyway. So.
Not the kind I am forced to live when you're away.
You see, sometimes I just feel like it's not real.
You know, that is how great beginnings feel. A little too big, a little too soon, but you'll fit into them.
Thank you. Thank you for your kindness, For everything.
You don't have to thank me anymore.
I'm not doing it because I have to, but because I want to. You changed my story.
Do you have everything you need?
Yeah, an extra. Miss Naya made sure she got me everything. And foodstuffs the last time we went to the market.
That's good. You know you're going to meet people. Boys, men, and challenges.
I know.
But I know you will make choices that I may not agree to. Just promise me one thing. That you will always choose yourself. Your dignity, your voice.
I promise.
And if the world becomes too loud, you can always come back home. There's no shame in that.
You're more than a guardian to me. You're my beginning.
It's okay. Oh, and you forgot one thing. I need to wash my
Sorry,
hands.
I'll get it now.
No, thank you.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Remember what I told you. Talk less, listen more, and learn fast. I want you to have this. Wear it every day. Not because it's expensive, but it's your anchor. You are nobody's maid. You are Amaka Osagi, my niece.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. I'm sure your taxi should be outside very soon.
Thank you so much, sir.
Auntie Amaka, okay, your taxi is outside the way for you. You don't come since.
He's here. Please, make sure to call me before the flight leaves, okay? Have a safe flight. You're welcome. Be good. Stay out of trouble. You're so beautiful.
Excuse me. Were you talking to me? Is that how you woo your customers? See, if you're not careful, I would report you to the app management. What's that now?
I'm very sorry, ma'am.
Won't you concentrate on the steering? Uncle, I'm fine. Yes. Uncle, please, can I call you back later? The porter is here to attend to me. Okay. Take care. Bye. Oh, she's gone far. How do I...
You are the new girl, right?
Yes. My name is Amaka, your new roommate.
Amaka.
I've been waiting for you here since.
Well, I hope you're not a boring girl. Because I don't want a village girl as a roommate here. Well, you're welcome. Come in now.
Amaka.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Amaka.
Good evening, sir.
How are you? Have you settled in? I hope you like your hostel.
Uncle, I'm fine. Yes, I like the hostel. My roommate is a Benin girl.
Oh, really? Oh, what's her name?
Her name is Evie. But Uncle, she's not really a nice person.
Don't worry. Very soon you guys will get along.
Okay. So how are you now? And have you gotten a maid?
No, not yet.
Why, Uncle?
Nothing.
Don't tell me you've not eaten.
I have. I actually went to the eatery to get something to eat.
So how was the food?
Not as much as I enjoy yours.
Uncle, don't worry. I'll be back soon to cook for you, but do and get a maid. I don't want you to look unhealthy when I return.
Okay, ma'am.
Promise me you will.
I promise.
And I would love to be the one to interview her.
Why?
Because I just want to make sure she cooks your food properly and takes good care of you properly too.
Yeah. Sure.
My dear, you don't have to worry. See, it's not always easy. You get, when I came here, coming here self is by the grace of God. So don't worry, you'll pull through.
Understand.
Trust me, I understand. You'll pull through, okay? Cheer up.
I feel nothing.
Don't worry, it's fine. Everything will be fine.
Hi.
You.
Hello. You.
No, you. You again.
We meet again. I was actually coming to see my course rep, Gloria Obonna. I need to collect a handout from her.
Oh, wait. Are you in the school? Right. Business management. First year. Same department?
Yes, I am.
Because you said you came to your course rep, Gloria Obonna.
Yes, Gloria Obonna.
Wow.
She's your course rep too?
Of course, we're same level, obviously. Wow.
Indeed, this world is a small place.
Yes.
Who would have thought that I'm going to bump into you so casually? You see, sometimes nature has its way of playing with our minds. And this could be one. Who knows? Perhaps nature is telling us something. Perhaps you and I could have a oneness relationship. I mean, you know what I mean, right?
You wish. My love, as I was saying.
I'll be back. All right? Take care. See you.
Wait. Do you know him from anywhere?
Long story. I keep bumping into this guy.
Just start from anywhere. I'm ready to get the food
I'm
gist.
hungry, please. Let's go and have something for going for lectures, please.
Yes, you win and you lose some. No be fight, no be fight. No be fight, no be fight. So in whatever you do, just do the best that you can. Leave the rest, you'll be fine. In the end, you'll be fine. Me, everything you asked, I gave. Everything you did.
And
This one.
yes, talking about understanding stock exchange, we would have to come back to that because that's a very bulky subtopic. Let's finish this first issue. So coming to that, we'll have to emphasize on this. So basically, concerning this issue, this is all that you need to know about it.
Really?
Yes. So you can.
Freedom formula is so different from this. But people say he's dull. He doesn't know anything. So.
Well, I don't mean to be rude, but he's actually very dull. Very, very dull.
You know, I'm new, so I didn't know who to ask. Thank you so much for this.
You are welcome. Please avoid freedom, okay?
I will.
Whenever you have any academic challenge, in fact, whatever challenge at all, do not fail to inform me. And I'm always here to help and assist.
Thank you for this. Because lecturer can see with something else. That man is tough.
Yeah, that's what they say. I'm not aware of that.
So here is the proposal draft from Enugu team.
Drop it.
Okay, sir.
Naya, I want you to call the domestic agency. I need a new maid. Elderly to be precise.
I will let them know your specifications, sir.
Okay. Also, who is handling the end of your party program?
Yeah, about that, I wanted to ask, don't you think it's too early to start planning? Sorry, sir.
This is September.
That's like 3 months away.
The more reason why you should start planning. Last year we had lapses and some embarrassing moments I don't want to remember.
Sorry, sir.
Please, get on with the budget and let me have it at the end of the month.
Okay, sir.
Naya, I am serious.
You can count on us, sir.
Okay, that'll be all.
Yes, sir.
Amaka, how for you? That's how we're gonna leave. I don't understand you. You just posted me this morning. Now again, want to leave me again and go.
I'm sorry.
It's not funny. I don't like it.
I was so hungry.
Okay, me, I'm not hungry too, Abi. Me, I'm not hungry.
But
I know they're hungry too. I'm hungry now. What did they talk?
I didn't see you in the morning now. Where were you?
Did I see you?
Oh, this guy again.
Who be this one now? Who be this?
Let's go.
Abeg, come back. We need car to go super.
Got to go way back.
Yes.
Oh, look who I have seen again. Hop in. Let me give you a ride.
We should hop in.
Let's go.
No, I don't want trek. Enter motor, abeg.
How?
Enter motor. I don't want trek. Go house, abeg.
Come on.
I'll be hopping in. Enter.
Good.
Enter.
So, where are we headed? Yeah, that's where we're going. So, ladies.
Okay.
We're here.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Caleb. Thanks for the VIP drop-off. And maybe we might consider you our school driver after like 4 or 5 rides.
You're welcome. Don't bother about that. I have enough cash to sustain that purpose. Free rides for you.
That's what I want to hear. All right, bye.
Take care.
Jeez.
Careful.
Thank you.
Come on. Amaka, so soon?
Yeah.
You do want to run off like the last time after lecture, don't you? Can I have your phone number?
Wait, I want to understand something. Did you give me a ride to have my number?
No. Look, I created a WhatsApp group for studies.
Oh.
So I just want you to be part of it. That's all, nothing more.
That's fine.
Okay. Saved. I'll call you.
Okay.
Or text.
Okay.
Don't worry, I am going to be civil. Very civil.
Sorry, wait. Did you just lie to get my number?
You are being difficult.
Really? You know what? Don't bother calling because I won't pick.
Can you...
Rubbish.
Come on, no, I am just... Amaka, can you just give me a listening ear, please? Hello, Amaka, can you... Whoa. I'm still gonna call you anyway.
No forget you, Ibugumo. No pilayo, Ibugumo. Everything I did for love. But your love, I want monala. No forget you, Ibugumo. No pilayo, Ibugumo. Everything I did for love. But your love, I want monala. I thought you really understand. So now only you I have to stand for. Tell me why you no go notice. You are the only one for me in the middle of the day, like you. Every day I had to think of you. Tell me why you don't go know that you are the only one for me. Everything you ask.
I saw the way you were smiling at that Caleb guy that came to drop us off today. I hope you're not catching feelings already.
Vivi, you're not serious. What's that?
Well, he looks like he's from a rich background and the family has money. At least he will not come here and finish our food stuff. That one is the only thing I like about him.
Vivi,
I will not share my food stuff with anybody.
how did I meet this girl?
In this school.
Oh, well, he looks like a nice guy to me. And if there's anything at all, not now. I'm not ready. I'm not in a hurry, and I believe you will respect that.
You're not saying something else, so. Well, if I'll advise you, this is uni, and this is your first semester. You don't have to be fooled by his looks and his charm, so for your own good, I'm just saying.
Yes, ma. I
Yes.
hear you.
Okay, ma.
Girl. Vivi.
I've told you. It's the one, Abby. You know you want to peek. Just peek and beg. Stop for me.
Hello, Caleb.
Hi. Hope I'm not calling late. I just want to be sure you didn't block me or straighten.
No, I would never do that, you know.
Hello, Naya. Good evening. Okay, that's fine. When can she come? Okay, that's perfect. I will let Amaka know so she can prepare. That's okay. Thank you. Let me call Amaka.
No, you sound like you're much older. I see. See, does your father own the telecom company? Because what's all this? It's 2 hours already.
Why is her number busy? Who could she be talking to for this long?
Well, maybe. Okay, fine. Maybe because I've not laughed as hard as I did. Or maybe because I've not had it like this in a long while. I see. So tell me something else that'll make me laugh, like more stories that won't end too fast like the previous one.
Hi, good morning.
Caleb, what are you doing here?
I am simply standing on existing protocols as I promised to be your personal driver on this campus until you graduate. We have a lecture by 7:30. Let's try and meet up before he comes in, before us, and turns into a motivational speaker. Let's go. Each second counts. 1, 2, 3.
Everything I did for love, but your love I won't love.
Hello, Naya. Okay, I'll meet you guys downstairs in 10 minutes.
Sir, her aunt attends the same fellowship with me. And she's ready to learn. I've already given her all the details she needs to know.
This is someone I called all through last night. Couldn't she have called me before going to class this morning?
Sir, if you don't want her, I can...
No, it's not about her.
Okay.
What's her name again?
Abigail.
Abigail.
Yes, sir.
Have you worked before?
Yes, sir. I stayed with the family in Surrey before they relocated abroad.
Yes, sir. She can cook and clean. And she's very respectful.
Okay. Well, Abigail, all I can tell you is I love good food. I love my space clean and my mornings very quiet.
Okay, sir.
You can start today. When I get hold of Amaka, I will let her reach out to you so she can give you the list of things you handle in this house.
Okay, sir.
And please, no guests. Ever. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Let's go.
Just a text.
So, lunch on me. Listen, I do not just want to be your personal driver. I also want to be your personal chef.
See this one. And what makes you think that I'll follow you to your hostel to cook for me?
Really? Mm-hmm. Just tell me you do not want to be pampered as a beautiful girl that you are. And I will conclude this second that you are just a village girl.
Stop, Joe. It's not funny.
My bad. Sorry. My apologies. I think that was a stupid joke from me. My apologies. So still, lunch on me. I can place an order for you from one of these vendors. Or I can drive you down the school canteen. Look, the school canteen has a very delicious jollof rice and tasteful chicken.
Okay, I'll follow you. But on one condition.
Condition?
That you will watch me embarrass you with egusi soup and fufu.
That is actually my favorite combo.
Really?
Yes, I agree. I am ready to be embarrassed. Let's go.
Go away.
Come here.
You're such a sweet talker. And what if I'm not going?
You should. You will.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello, Uncle.
Hey, Amaka, I've been trying to call you since last night.
Sorry, maybe network.
Okay, are you done with lectures for today?
Yes, about leaving for the hostel.
That's good. So I called to let you know that I hired a new maid.
You hired her already?
Yes, I had to make a quick decision.
Uncle, but I begged to interview her. You know, do you think I can't handle it?
No. That's not what it is. Amaka, I've been calling you.
And I missed few calls. See, Uncle, you've done a lot for me. And just this one thing, I beg you, you deny me of it. Why? Because you think I can't handle administrative care?
No, I didn't mean it that way.
No battery.
Hello?
Let's go.
Switched off. Abigail.
Sir?
Don't bother cooking for me tomorrow.
Sir?
Do not bother cooking for me tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You can go.
Okay, sir.
Why is she so angry? Amaka, look, I'm sorry for everything, okay? I hurt you and I regret it. I just thought you would talk to her, whenever you have time. She's not taking any space at all. She can't cook. Please, can you come to the house this weekend and teach us some recipes? Please.
Amaka, you know you really messed up last night.
If I didn't mess up, please, I just lost track of time.
Lost track of time, you see. Amaka, you go Caleb house, go stay the whole day, you no come back. You could enter very late in the night. How about?
Xavier, I told you. He was just helping me prep my presentation, that's all.
I hear you.
See. I'm not in the mood for all this, I beg. I have presentation first thing this morning. And you're here making me delay. Please, my phone. Jesus. Hey, low battery. And there's lights. Since last night, I didn't charge. Please, have a nice day, my dear.
Don't go and make the biggest mistake of your life. You go regret that.
No forget you, Ibugumo. No pilayo, Ibugumo. Everything I did for love.
What is going on? Could it just be because of the interview? Or she's getting too comfortable? Or is she getting influenced by the world out there?
Every day I think of you. Tell me why you don't know that you're the only one for me. Everything you asked, I gave. Everything you did, love. Everything I did for love. You don't break in my heart. You don't break in my soul. You don't leave me alone. You don't leave me there, go. You don't break in my heart. You don't break in my soul. You don't leave me alone. You don't leave me there, go. No forget you, Ibugumo. No pilayo, Ibugumo. Everything I did for love. But your love, I want monala. They say love is a game. Yes, you win and you lose some. No be fight, no be fight.
First, he wasn't in class. He didn't attend lectures. And now he's not in his hostel. And no one has heard or seen him today. No one has heard from him. Is he okay? Because it's unlike him. I don't know. Just confused. Hello? Caleb, sorry, my phone was off. I've been trying to reach you. Where are you? What? Arrested? Why? Hey, I'm so sorry, Caleb. I'm truly sorry. Okay, where are you so I can come? Caleb, just tell me where you are. I'll come.
Amaka, look, I am
forget you, Ibugumo. No pelayo, Ibugumo. Everything I did for.
You must be dead worried about going through the scrutiny. But it's okay. You have nothing to worry about.
Okay, ma.
Uncle Sagi here is very special to me, there to me. So I just wanted to be certain that you will do a good job taking care of him.
By God grace, ma. I will try my best.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, ma.
Okay, then we have no problem.
Take her back inside.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Uncle,
Yes.
you know, I was thinking that you would have lost some weight. But no.
I was actually worried about you.
Oh,
But you look good.
thank you.
Look really good.
Thank you.
And oh, you haven't told me how your first day on campus went.
Oh, it was so overwhelming.
Really?
Yes, but I met someone. He helped
Wow.
me out. We're good friends. His name is Caleb.
A lecturer?
A classmate.
Oh.